Hello everyone. So this is a REST API tester. REST API tester is basically for uh, REST API designer and also for the testers who wants to just verify their uh, JSON response from the endpoint URL are getting successfully fetched or not. So that thing they can test over here through this app. So this app is containing three text fields over there, as you can see: URL, method, and JSON input, and after a submit button over there, and below that there is a response will be shown here section. After hitting the server with the request URL or the request JSON, it will fetch the response and it will show into that section. So we'll come one by one. First, uh, this app can be used. This app is having like actually two types of facilities, like the request, the whole request embedded in the URL itself. You can use with that also. Also, you can mention the endpoint URL and the input JSON, the input JSON as a like the input JSON. You will put the whole input JSON in the JSON input field, just copying your JSON file and pasting into it, and it will take. It is a multi-line text actually. I will show you. So URL, in the URL section, I am giving http colon / http bean.org /post. So I am taking this to just only show you the example. Here in this field we need to provide the method name, whether it is a get method or a post. So I am giving it as a post, and here I am mentioning the JSON field, the JSON input over here. So you can just copy the whole thing, like the whole JSON file, as input, and paste it in this section. It will take. I will show you. It is a multi line input text box actually. Here you can see that it's a multi-line input section, so you can provide the whole very long JSON also over there and submit it. So you can see JSON data is downloading, so it is trying to fetch the data from the server, and it has got. It is showing you it's just yeah. So it was a temporary field. Now you just if you can see in the beneath below the submit button, you can see the whole JSON response has come out over here, and here actually the JSON response has come, the whole thing. So you can copy from here, or just you can also the part you want to copy, that part only, or you can also select all and copy that. So it is copied, like the whole JSON response body is here. You can copy it and try like for some other validations to put it in a notepad and all. So all those stuffs you can do from here. And now I will show you the thing. Here I'm having Google Geocode API. So here the JSON is integrated, you can see. So I am taking this, going to the ResTer. I've given the name as ResTer as it is actually REST API tester. So taking the first portion REST and tester, so ResTer, you can call it a ResTer. So I have put the whole embedded URL, like the JSON embedded in the endpoint URL itself. As you can see, maps API geocode a JSON interrogation address equals to Kolkata. So that means it will fetch the data from here, and I think it's a get method. Let's see what happened. Submitting it, JSON data is downloading. No, it couldn't get the JSON from the server. That means not a get method, it's a post, I think so. It's a post. Submitting, JSON data is downloading. It has got the data. It has got the data. So if you can see here, it has given the response. Address components, Kolkata, long name, longitude, the various details, latitude, longitude, and location, place ID, status, okay. So the whole JSON has come over here. You can select all and copy it from there, and just moving to the notepad, or else you just paste it, and you can do the other validations, all the stuffs over there. So it's very user friendly. It's a uh, it's a tool which will not need that much of bandwidth of your internet connection. You can try it from any lower bandwidth also, and it will not take that much of memory in your mobile phone or tablet or any other Android devices. So it takes around actually 7 MBs, around 7 MB to like in your phone memory, and you can use it. You can give suggestions, comments over here. I will come up with another modified version also. I'm working on it. I will try to make it better and better in future, and your suggestions are very much needed, and it will be very much helpful for me to design it in more proper way, so that it can be a very good helping friend to all the REST API testers and designers. So that's all, and hope you liked it, and you will install it from App Store. Thank you for watching this, and yep, best of luck.